DigitalBix fashions. An elegant wristwatch adds flair to one's personality. From dazzling diamonds to sultry dials, these beautiful timepieces can make you shine bright wherever you go. Here is a list of 5 best women watch brands in India. Number 1. Fast Track. Fast Track has become one of the most bought watch brands in India today. It was founded in the year 1998 and is a sub brand of Titan. The company generally creates innovative fashion accessories for youth and has succeeded so far. Number 2. Fossil. Fossil is a leading watch brand from the US and has garnered a lot of attention for its top notch products. It was launched by Tom Carsotis and has its head office in Richardson, Texas. Number 3. Titan. From mesmerizing perfumes to luxurious watches, Titan has been doing it all for ages. The brand was birthed in 1984 by Zexes Desai and has its headquarters in Bangalore, India. Number 4. Chumbak. Founded in 2012 by Shubhra and Vivek Prabhakar. Chumbak is a revolutionizing lifestyle brand in India. With state of the art designs and top notch materials, the brand creates something unique and helps you to stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Casio. Casio is a multinational electronics and accessories launched by 1946 by Tadao Casio and Tashio Casio. This Japanese brand is popular for manufacturing electronic instruments, calculators and watches. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel Digital Bix Fashions.